Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received our customer for assistance in illustrated PowerPoint 365 2021 module to SAM Project 1B assignment. Our client provided some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here is summarized solution process for each problem. Prepare file. Save as il_ppt365_20to1_to be_first last name _to.pptx. Ensure your name is on slide 1 presenter notes. Slide 1. Position and merge the yellow lightning bolt and blue cloud shapes. Resize to 2.5 by 3.5. Position the shape below and right of the title. Slide 2. Copy and paste a rectangle. Change text to rake beds. Align and distribute rectangles using Smart Guides. Slide 3. Convert the list to horizontal bullet list SmartArt. Change to vertical bullet list and apply intense effect style. Add a hyperlink to Be Prepared text https://www.cengage.com. Slide 4. Change arrow color to green, accent 1, darker 25%. Apply glow effect, send arrow to back, and flip horizontally. Group arrow, picture, and text box. Slide 5. Insert and resize a diamond shape to 4 by 4. Fill with support _ppt365_20 to 1_to be_pruning.jpg. Align shape using ruler and guides. Finalize. Delete slide 6. Change new slide 6 SmartArt outline to green, accent 1, darker 25%. Add slide numbers and footer text. Get ready for spring to all slides except the title slide. Save and submit your presentation. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +40 for 7,309,655,268 or log in to our website helpinhomework.org and chat with the customer support agent.